I'm not here to give you a lecture. I just want to inspire you during this time of quarantine. I want you to know, all right, that this does not define who you are. It's a moment in our time. You are, and you are cool too, Aaron. Yes, you are. All right. So, it's a time. It happens. It's a moment in our time. But it's not, it is not, Eric, how you doing? People are still coming on board. It is not a defining moment. It's just a challenging moment. So I want you young people out there that's listening to me to hear Coach's voice. Hear my voice. And that is, you're going to be okay. You're going to come out of this. You'll be able to reconnect with your friends in school. You'll be able to reconnect with your friends in the community. But I will also say this. I bet you our relationships are going to be a whole lot better. Whoop, whoop. Vanessa, you got it. You know what I mean? We need a few more of those whoop, whoop. That's right. I mean, that's it. And so we're going to come out better. We're going to come out kinder. We're going to come out nicer. We're going to really appreciate our friends. We're going to really appreciate our family. We're going to really appreciate our school, our teachers, because why? We all know now how valuable we are to each other. COVID-19 will not be around forever. We have had epidemics before of this nature, in our country. We've had these type of things that have happened, and people, there you go, Trinette, that's right, whoop, whoop, have overcome them, and they've moved on and start living their lives again. So I don't want you to watch all this media stuff and people saying this and saying that, and you think that it's like, never going to end, whatever. It's going to end. To be focused. All right. And so as a young person, use this time wisely. You know what I mean? I know we like Netflix and all that. And I gotta be honest with you, I had a few Netflix binges myself. All right. I'm not going to tell you what I binged. But anyway, I said, but we don't want to always do that. Maybe you can read on some of the things we're interested in, or look at some internet documentaries on things that we, All right. Yeah. So one thing I want you to do, and write some of these things down when I say it. All right. I want you to write this down. There's a champion on the other side of impossible. All right. April Fruit. That's right. All right. Write that statement down. There's a champion on the other side of impossible. Let me tell you something, young people. Whenever some people say it's impossible, the champions say it's possible. The champions find a way to make it happen. That's what makes them champions. And so most champions are people who have ever overcome obstacles. They look at the obstacle and they try to figure out, how am I going to be overcome this? And so a lot of people saying things are impossible right now. Thank you, Sigourney. A lot of people are saying that this is going to, I want to let you know there's a champion. I share this with your teachers too. There's a champion. I mean, stay positive. Winners surround themselves with people who believe they can win. Come on, give me some more high fives, y'all. You know what I'm talking about. You need friends, even in the virtual world, that believe in you, man. Surround yourself with friends that care about you and want you to have a good future. And even when we come out of this pandemic, there's a saying that I use a lot, and you've heard me share it at your schools. Show me your friends, and I'll show you your future. And those friends that I was on that team with, we believed in each other. So if you're interacting with your friends, have some fun, do some TikTok, do all the things like that, but then encourage each other, inspire each other. At home, be your best right now. Okay? So at home, be your best. Seriously, help your mom out. I told my kids that. I got four kids right now, And that's what I'm saying. I have 4 kids. They're all home. My son was in college. They sent him home. I got 3 kids and 2 kids in high school and a kid in elementary school. We're all in the house together. And I share with my kids, we all right now, more than anything, need to respect each other. Because, thank you, Amber, because right now we need each other. Right now, mom and dad are your friends because you can't go connect. You can't go hang with your friends. So we're playing games, board games. With my daughter is doing some TikTok, and so you guys help her out. If you got chores, do your chores. You know what I mean? And if somebody gets you upset, show them a little grace. Don't get mad at people. You're together a lot.